Greetings, students, and welcome to week 6 on learning here in Introduction to Psychology. I am so excited for this week. I know I say this every week, and that's usually because I'm pretty excited every week. But I'm super excited about this week. Obviously, love of learning, being a professor. So what are we going to learn this week? Well, we're going to learn about different kinds of conditioning, operant conditioning and classical conditioning. We're going to understand what learned behavior is versus, say, an instinct. And we're also going to learn about modeling and how social learning occurs. So mostly this is going to be about how our brain learns and how we kind of incorporate that into our psychology. So what do we have going on this week? Pretty normal stuff. You don't have any extra this week, so that's kind of nice. Watch your weekly overview videos so you know what's going on. Always a good idea. Then we're going to have you read Chapter 6 and take the Chapter 6 quiz. There are 3 keywords and concepts videos this week. And then you guys can go ahead and watch the introduction to the amazing documentary we are going to be watching this week called The Social Dilemma. It actually came out during the pandemic. It probably would have been more popular if it hadn't come out when it did. So it just kind of got overshadowed a little bit. So we're going to watch The Social Dilemma, and we're going to talk about social media addiction and how that's affecting society in a bad way. And what we think we can do to fix it, because we can fix it. We can always fix it, right? Especially with psychology. That's why we study it. So all you have this week is your quiz and discussion board post. Remember, next week you do have to have your proof of your experiment done, so your photo or your video. So I really hope you guys are working on your experiments so that you can have that turned in and ready to go for next week. All right, that's all for the weekly overview. I will see you guys in the next video.